Hey, you've stumbled upon a game changer here. This technique, my friend, it's a universal powerhouse. It's not just for specific dreams, it's for everything: success, healing, love, money, you name it. Picture this. It's rooted in Neville Goddard's teachings and has been the secret sauce for countless people worldwide, including myself. I've used these 3 words repeatedly to pull in new homes, emergency cash, and even that special someone. It's so seamless, so natural, that I almost forgot about it until I realized. This can revolutionize your life too. The law of attraction. This technique is its best friend, seriously. And guess what? It's a lightning-fast process, taking just 30 seconds of your time. Neville Goddard's book, The Law and the Promise, delves into this technique, revealing how it reshapes your thoughts and emotions, aligning them to magnetize exactly what you desire. Imagine, like Neville shares, a woman struggling with rent, and then boom. She starts using these 3 words, and suddenly her whole world flips. It's like a magnetic shift that attracts miracles into her life. Every night, as she drifted into sleep, she whispered 3 words, almost like a magic spell. 3 months into this routine, something incredible happened. Out of the blue, a distant acquaintance sent her a whopping $25,000. And that wasn't all. Another check followed each month, again for $25,000 to support her art. Now, hold up before you think, that's just for others, or she got lucky. Nope, she manifested it, just like you're about to. Ready for these 3 magical words? Isn't it wonderful? Seriously, saying these words isn't just a phrase, it's a game changer. When you say, "Isn't it wonderful?" you're sparking positivity, firing up your imagination, and boosting your visualizations. Even if you think you can't visualize, this phrase is a potent affirmation that sets off a wave of gratitude. Remember, the universe responds to your vibes. This technique is a game changer, and it's yours to unlock. Let's dive into action. Here's how you make these words work wonders for you. First off, down below in the comments, type out, "Isn't it wonderful?" and then fill in the blank. Let it out. Isn't it wonderful I'm in a deep, loving relationship with my specific person? Isn't it wonderful money flows effortlessly into my life? Get specific, and I'll be right here, cheering you on. Next, kickstart your mornings with a burst of positivity. Wake up and say, "Good things are coming my way today." Isn't it wonderful? Amp it up with, "Isn't it wonderful my special someone is reaching out today?" Or, "Isn't it wonderful unexpected money is flowing in?" Imagine the excitement brewing in anticipation of all these fantastic things. But hey, it's not just a morning ritual. Sprinkle these words throughout your day. Whisper them in your mind and let them linger in your thoughts. "Isn't it wonderful?" becomes your silent mantra, shaping your day with positivity and expectation. Make bedtime your magic hour. As you drift into dreamland every night, repeat to yourself, "Isn't it wonderful?" Feel the excitement as you list the amazing things in your life. "Isn't it wonderful I have a loving family?" "Isn't it wonderful I have a cozy home and a comfy bed?" "Isn't it wonderful my soulmate is drawing closer?" And "Isn't it wonderful money keeps flowing effortlessly every single day?" Catch that thrill. Get pumped about this phrase because it's your ticket to manifesting your desires right here, right now. And guess what? The excitement doesn't end there. Say's Publications has published an ebook, The Law of Vibration. This ebook consists of working techniques that will help you to raise your vibrations and manifest anything you want. So get access to the ebook, link is in the description. So, as you kickstart this journey, it's not just about repeating words, but fully immersing yourself in that sensation until it's woven into your existence. That's the enchantment of this technique, transforming words into a tangible, touchable reality. Start by picking one desire, something that lights a fire within you. Focus on it. Grab a special journal just for your manifesting journey and write it down. Feel the excitement as you jot, "Isn't it wonderful that everything falls perfectly into place?" Or, "The universe seems to be aligning just for me." Scribble, "It feels like magic. Everything's clicking into place," or "Good vibes are swirling, and something incredible is on the horizon." Can you sense it? It's like standing on the edge of turning dreams into reality. Let this journal be the sacred space for your dreams and thoughts to thrive. Start with one desired baby step, It's like mastering it before diving into a dozen things at once. Step by step, you'll ace this. When you zoom in on just one wish, it's like painting a clearer picture. This focus, it's your secret sauce to mastering the law of assumption. Sure, down the road, you might feel ready to manifest a bunch of things all at once. But hey, slow and steady wins the manifesting race. Starting with one desire in that special journal of yours. That's your powerhouse move, building the foundation for turning dreams into tangible reality. Take it slow, build that manifesting muscle, and get ready for an epic journey ahead. Find a cozy spot where you can unwind your mind and body. Creating this peaceful vibe helps you concentrate. Ever heard of that dreamy, almost asleep state Neville Goddard calls saties? That's your golden time for rewiring your subconscious. Oh, and don't forget those moments after waking up or finishing meditation, they're gems too. Get comfy and grab that manifesting journal. This is your visual playground. Jot down what you see, feel, and even say during these visualizations. It's your backup plan in case you need to recall something important. Repeat these mental scenes every night until you can almost touch your desire. You can do this silently or speak it out loud. Practice makes perfect, and soon slipping into that fulfilled state will feel as natural as breathing. These visuals will sink deep, becoming a part of you like cherished memories. Your goal: master the law of assumption. Live from the fulfilled state, as if your wish is already a reality. It's about thinking and feeling like you've hit that jackpot. Sure, it might feel a bit surreal at first, but stick with it. Persistence is your secret sauce. Keep assuming, and watch as your assumptions solidify into truths. Believe it or not, your outer world will start reshaping to match your inner assumptions. I am so confident in this technique because I have manifested crazy money in a very short period. I was on the road, Seattle in my sights, that city I'd been yearning for. I was fueled by determination, but my pocket held just $800, not enough for the big move. Still, I was resolute. In Reno, I thought, why not roll the dice? I gambled with $750, keeping $50 in reserve. And here's where it gets intriguing. Throughout my day in Reno, I kept chanting 3 powerful words like my own secret code from sunrise to well past midnight. After the first day, I checked my stash and was surprised, still sitting at $800. Day 2, same story, no ups, no downs. But then, the magical twist arrived. On that third day, everything shifted. By day's end, my $800 had mushroomed into an astounding $10,000. That leap from Los Angeles to my dream city, Seattle. Unbelievable, right? That was a leap of a lifetime. And that's how I manifested crazy money. Keep in mind, feeling that the Isn't It Wonderful vibe comes from being in a beautiful, fulfilled mindset. So, why not kickstart your manifesting journey by focusing on that feeling of wonder? Visualize your fulfilled desires and embrace that sense of fulfillment. When life's positive, you naturally think, "Isn't it wonderful, right?" That phrase covers all the good stuff. Remember, by getting into that state where you feel the wonder of having your desires already fulfilled, you're indirectly bringing everything you want closer. So, let's team up and unlock the power of Isn't It Wonderful in our lives together. Hit subscribe and come along on this journey of manifesting wonders with us. Remember to like and share this video so others can tap into the magic of manifestation too.